This is going to blow your mind, but at Aura Kitchens, we don't just build cabinets. We craft legacies of quality and trust right here in the heart of the Greater Toronto Area. At Aura Kitchens, our dedication to superior craftsmanship begins in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Here, we integrate time-honored techniques with advanced technology to create not just cabinets, but centerpieces of homes. Each piece reflects our commitment to excellence, tailored uniquely for you. Our secret, it's our people. Driven by integrity and respect, our team is the backbone of our success. Their expertise ensures that from the initial design to the final installation, your experience is seamless and satisfying. But what truly sets us apart, our promise to you. As the president of Aura Kitchens, I assure you, every cabinet that leaves our floor is a testament to our relentless pursuit of perfection. We're not just making cabinets, we're earning the trust of families like yours, one kitchen at a time. Thank you for considering Aura Kitchens. Together, let's create the space where your family's best memories will unfold.